Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing a brake job on a 2016 Chevy Malibu. This is going to be on the passenger front brake. It's going to be the same on the driver's side left brake. Essentially, you got two 14mm bolts holding on the caliper. All you gotta do is just take those bolts off. Once you take those bolts off, the caliper comes off. Once you take the caliper off, as you guys can see, there are two springs, brake springs, I believe it's called. I'm not quite sure, but you guys are looking at it. Looks like the two brake springs. Normally these brake springs actually fit into holes, but this one, it's clipped back. It's clipped onto the brake or brakes. All you have to do is just push them together, like as you're seeing what I'm doing, and they come off pretty easy. So essentially you do it on the other side. It's pretty much the same thing. The brakes should come off pretty easily. If they don't come off easily, just take a screwdriver like I did and essentially just push them out. As far as putting the new brakes in, if you guys are putting in brake grease, what you guys want to do with the brake grease is to use the grease on the top and the bottom of the brakes. That's where the brake grease goes. The top and the bottom, not on the sides of the brake, the top and the bottom, because the brakes actually gets pulled in, and then it gets pulled out a little bit, gets pulled in. You want there to be a little bit of a play, so that it's allowed to pull in and pull out. In any case, all you gotta do is put the new brakes in, put the springs back on, and essentially put the calipers on, and essentially screw the caliper back on. And obviously you're gonna have to compress the caliper before doing this. It's a pretty easy job. Shouldn't be a difficult job. Pretty easy as far as brakes concerned. There are other cars where the brakes are a little bit more complicated, but with this, it's not. Hope that has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Good luck, guys.